sounds X, as in wax. Light the wax candles on the cake. X in axe sounds X. Chop the log of wood with an axe. Look at this word, fox. The letter X in fox makes the X sound. How to make the sound? Close your mouth and first hold your tongue at the back of your mouth and let out a puff of air. Next, push air through your mouth to make a hissing sound, X, as in wax. Let us look at some.
Hello students, welcome back to our class. So today is Wednesday, 17th of June 2020. Okay, so how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, so let's continue learning our final consonant sound. And now we're in letter X. X, this is the letter X. The letter X sounds X, X, X. The X says X, the X says X. Every letter makes a sound, the X says X. Okay, very good. So, now we're going to look at the picture that has the ending sound of letter X. Okay, for example, here we have number 6. The number 6 has the ending sound of X. 6 spell S-I-X. 6. Okay, what is this? It's number 6. Okay, so look at this paper. Okay, so we have here the letter X in the middle. Okay, so what are we going to do now is that we're going to connect the letter X to the picture that has the final consonant X. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, let's start. So we have here fox. First picture we have fox. Fox. Can you hear the sound X in the fox? Yes, fox has the consonant sound X at the end. So let's connect the letter X to the fox. Okay, next we have bone. Bone. Okay, so can you hear X in the word bone? No, there's no letter X. How about the axe? Axe. Can you hear the letter X at the end? Yes, axe. Axe has the ending sound of X. Next picture, we have rabbit. Rabbit. Can you hear the X sound in the rabbit? No. Okay, so we have box. Box. Can you hear the X sound in the word box? Yes, box has the final consonant X. Box. Okay, next we have flog. Flog. Can you hear X in the word flog? No, there's no X. How about this one? Ox. Ox. Yes, there is letter X at the end. Ox. Very good. Okay, how about the cat? Cat. Can you hear X in the word cat? No. So, what are the picture that has the final consonant X? We have fox, axe, box, and ox. Great job. Very good. Okay, now, let's learn another words that has the final consonant X. Okay, so now let's go to your worksheet. Okay, so when you can hear the letter X at the end of the word, it sounds like this. X, x, x. Okay, for example, we have here the box. Box. Right? Can you hear the sound X? Yes, it's in the end. And what are we going to do is that you're going to say the name of each picture and connect it to its correct word. Okay? So first we have here the wax. 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 Okay, where is the correct word of the wax? Okay, so this one. Okay, next we have also the 6. Number 6. You know what is the spelling of number 6? Okay, S-I-X. So find where is that? 6. Okay, next we have fox. 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 Where is the word fox? You connect the picture to the word. Next we have ox. Ox. Okay, connect it to the correct word. And then you can color the pictures. Okay, next you're going to say the name of each picture and then write the ending sound X. Okay, so first we have, what is that? Fox, box, 6, and axe. Okay, so these words ends with letter X. X sounds X, X, X. Very good, great job. So I hope that you will not forget what are the words that has the ending sound of X. So see you again next time. Bye.